Hello India TV Forum members. I, your very own Manskor, Akap Preets, is back again, and this time I'm here to celebrate Eid with all of you and with someone very special out here. Well, what should I say about him? He's smart, he's dashing, he is wonderful, he is superb, he is talented, he is excited, he is whatnot, etc. Even I am excited, so I'll not speak now. What I can say right now is that he is one such person who stole not only mine, not only yours, but millions of hearts through his role of Dr. Yuvraj in Dil Mil Gaye. Yes, boys and girls of ITVF, it's the Azimoshan Shehenshah, Naina's Azimuthal, the Behuda of our Behudis, Sehban Azim. Hi Sehban.
Hello everybody.
Welcome.
Yeah. Thanks a lot for calling me here, and it's been a good experience.
Firstly a big hi from all the members of ITVF.
Hi everybody.
Hi from Pooja, hi from Dolly, Naina, Mariam, Nads, Reeti, Gaia, Aru, everybody. I don't know, the list is long.
I remember all those names, I do. I've been to the chat, so I remember all these names. I've spoken to almost all of them. All the names you just told me?
Yeah.
I think, I remember all
and
of them.
A big hi from me too.
Hi, Manpreet.
Okay. Firstly, Eid Mubarak to you and your family.
To you, all of you, in fact,
And on the occasion of Eid, your wonderful die-hard fan member, Nads, has created a beautiful suji for you. So here it is.
I'll show you. It's a very nice one.
Here it is.
Thanks a lot, Nads. And I've been watching your VMs, and they're really nice. All the videos you're making with those different songs and all. They're very amazing. I love it. And in fact, Neha has seen all of them, and she loves them too.
Oh.
And, we keep talking about them, in fact.
Wonderful. Great. And the first question which I was supposed to ask and was that how's your hand?
It's much better now. Let me show it to you.
Yeah.
There's a bump on my hand, but it's perfectly fine. I have a movement in my hand. I can move it properly, but I cannot lift anything yet.
Okay.
So I usually keep a wristband here, so I don't lift anything. I think I have a problem forgetting things, and by mistake, if I lift anything, it will be a problem again.
Okay.
So I'm trying not to.
And any difficulty you're facing while shooting or something?
Yeah, a lot initially. Initially, I had that's why I wore a sling in the first song when I came. So I had a problem initially. So I wanted, because we were dancing all of us. I have a problem. I was scared actually. People will hit me here.
Yes.
What if Munni does something? She is kind of crazy girl, or I don't even know. But so we were initially scared of her when we started working with her.
Okay.
And we were like, what's her name? Bobby Darling.
Bobby Darling.
But it happened somehow, and she's a nice person. As in, I don't know if she's a nice girl or maybe girl.
Okay.
Whatever, she's nice. There was no problem with her working.
I swear, Sehban, your expressions were amazing in that. I mean,
those were really natural. I'm telling you, all those expressions I was making, all the faces I was making, those were really natural. They come out they came from inside.
I just could not stop laughing, and I was like, what is Sehban doing? Dr. Yuvraj is like, I know Munni very well, and she's a nice person. And when he first time sees Munni and the reaction, oh my God.
You know what? That was the story behind it. When we were told about Munni that JP is gonna get this girl and everything, they're gonna plan everything. A very beautiful is coming for this bachelor party, and we were supposed to party and we were supposed to do stuff. And the stories we were told initially, as in the scene, and we were like awestruck who this Munni would be and everything. So you were talking about कि वो देखती है तो ऐसा होता है, वो बोलती है तो and then Munni comes and we were like that's what happened.
Oh God, that was amazing.
And it was so much fun, Manpreet. I'm telling you, it was so much fun shooting. All of us, we had a nice time. It was my comeback, in fact. And after a long time, all of us did a scene together. We were laughing and cracking up and falling on the floor.
Okay.
So it was.
Really? And what a grand entry it was, really.
I know, I can see that with Dolly, with Munni.
Okay. And how was your experience as a comeback?
It's been good. I was initially reluctant to come back. I wasn't even sure that I should come back or not. But then I spoke to the creative and I spoke to the supervising producer, who's a friend also. Is it fine? Should I come back? I don't even know if there's a story. Yeah. What do I do when I'm coming back? Because I've already gone to the US branch. Then they were kind of convinced that there is a story. There is something happening with Yuvraj, and we want to take the story a level further.
Okay.
So initially I gave in, and after all it's DMG. You can't say no to DMG. If you already done DMG as an actor, you want to come back. Everybody wants to come back. All the previous actors, all the actors from DMG1, they would love to come back, and they're coming back. Even Sunaina came back for the show. So it's fun.
Even Naina is coming back. Yeah. Okay. And what is the storyline like?
That's a mystery. I don't want to tell. See. There is a story between me and Naina. She's going to come back for sure. Okay. But I know you want me to say yes, that there's some happy ending happening, but I don't think so right now. Okay. It doesn't seem like, though I would love to have that happy ending. It doesn't seem like. But there is a track happening, there is something happening between me and her. And there is something connecting from our story to Arman and Ridhima's story.
Oh, is it?
There is.
Okay.
So you're going to see that soon.
Because last night I was watching the episode and I saw Naina in the pre-cap, and then I realized that okay, she's back.
Yeah, that's where she comes back.
Great. And
okay, you want me to start with this question?
Yes, there is this list of questions.
Yeah, I know, I can see that.
So these are all the questions from your fans.
I'm very bad at reading, so please pardon me for that.
Yeah, and there is some wishes also, and I would request you to please speak the name of the person and then the question and wishes.
Yeah. You want me to read the wishes as well, or are these only for me?
Well, if you can read it, pleasure.
Okay, this one is from Naina.
Yeah.
And the question is, what do you have to say about your return in DMG?
Yes.
Oh, I just answered that.
Yes, you have answered
it was really nice, Naina. I'm loving it and having so much fun in DMG again. So it's so much fun. Will Neha join it too? Now you know it already.
We know
and is it possible that Yuna get a happy ending?
Well, that's a suspense.
But that's still a suspense.
Okay.
From Nads also, how was it to be back with Munni?
Yeah.
Back with Munni was kind of awkward, but yeah, back in DMG was fun.
Okay.
Who is his best friend on DMG set? Who is Munni's best friend or who is my best friend?
Who's your best friend?
Everybody. We have a gang. Even after shooting, when we're free, we go out, we chill out, and we hang out together. We go for movies. So we have a complete gang. So with every individual, I have a different relationship. With Neha, it's different. With Wahi, it's different.
Okay.
So yeah, with Wahi, it's more like a boyish thing. It's like a guy talking. We talk about the gadgets. We talk about the cars.
Yeah.
With Neha, so like that. Best phase of life, obviously school. College was boring for me. I didn't really like college. School. The good part about school is you have restrictions in school.
Yes.
And then you have to break them.
Yes.
So that's what it makes all the fun actually.
As they say, rules are meant to be broken.
Yeah. What was he always inclined? Yeah, I was inclined towards acting since my school days. I wanted to be an actor, but my mom never thought so. My mom thought I'm really shy, I can't act. Okay. I was actually, so I wasn't. My mom convinced me. So I thought I'm really shy, I cannot act. So I gave up.
Okay.
And after clearing my boards exam, 10th board exam, I wanted to join this course called Perry School of Acting, Barry John.
Okay.
Yeah, I got these forms and all. I filled them up and everything, and then my mom asked me, "Do you really want to do it? Do you think you can do it?" Yeah. Then my brother was sitting right next to me, and he said, "तुमसे एक बात पूछो तो तुम शर्मा के बिस्तर में घुस जाते हो और तुम कैसे जवाब दोगे? तुम कैसे एक्टिंग करोगे?" Then I thought of it, then I didn't do it.
Okay.
And I started with my everything, computers, everything. I started modeling after a while. Then I thought, okay, let me give it a shot, let me try. So that's how it happened. Though it was on the back of my mind, subconscious, it was always there. Yeah.